Today, we're diving into the hidden world of industrial valves in pharma and biotech facilities.
Think of this as the circulatory system for making life-saving medicine. Let's see how it works.
So here's what we're covering: purity, flow, sterilization, hazards, and a new single-use revolution.
So, it all starts with design. How do you build a system for absolute purity? Well, the industry has a rulebook for that. It's a standard called ASME BPE for hygienic design.
And what's cool is, this standard covers everything. We're talking materials, smoothness, the whole deal.
That means components, like this valve and its diaphragm, meet the absolute highest standards.
Okay, design's locked in. Next up, how do you actually control the flow in these pipes?
That's where actuators come in. They're the muscles, either air-powered or electric, opening and closing valves.
So you've got a choice to make, right? It's a trade-off between simple, safe, and super precise.
And you can see the big differences here. Pneumatic is tough, while electric is a bit more sensitive.
All right, the system is built. Now you've got to keep it sterile, and this is where it gets intense.
They use a process called steam in place, or SIP. It just blasts the system with super hot steam. But what happens when you mix all that heat and pressure with rapid cooling? Yeah, big problems.
The valve's diaphragm can actually blister, and those are perfect hiding spots for nasty microbes.
But failure isn't always a broken part. Sometimes, the danger is hiding in plain sight. They're called dead legs, basically sections of pipe where stuff just sits there and stagnates.
And as one safety beacon puts it, these dead legs can be, well, very much alive with corrosion.
You can find them anywhere. Old drain pipes, unused lines, they're a hidden threat to the whole system.
So to fight all these risks, the industry's making a big shift, a really revolutionary one.
Check this out. The market for single-use valves, it's going to be worth over $82 million by 2025.
And it's growing fast. Why? Because you get guaranteed sterility, and things just work more efficiently.
Pharma and biotech are the biggest players here. You can see they make up half the market. But all this disposable tech leads to a big, crucial question for the future of these industries. So from design to market shifts, you can see every single valve tells a story of innovation.